Hello everyone, welcome to Cyber Sentinel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install VMware Workstation Pro for free and set up Kali Linux on a Windows machine. This is a comprehensive guide, so it will be very helpful if you are a beginner who try to set up your own lab to practice. You will find all the steps you need to get started. Let's dive into it. So first one, you can open any browser and search for VMware Workstation Pro download, and the first link which comes to this one, blogs.vmware.com. In this blog you will see VMware Fusion Pro download, this is for Mac. VMware Workstation Pro download, this is for Windows machine. So this will lead to Broadcom site. So here you can enter your username and password. Let me put mine. So it will lead to this download page basically. Here you can find VMware Workstation Pro 17.0 for Windows. So there are multiple bases available for Linux, Windows, everything. If you selected VMware Fusion Pro, then it will ask for Mac. So go for the latest version 17.6.2, and yeah, once it is loaded, this is the one we want to download. So yeah, click HTTPS download. It will start downloading like this. Yes. So I will download and downloads. Downloads. So I already downloaded the version because yeah, it is like 442 MB, 447 MB. So I already downloaded. We can open it directly. So here is the one. Yes. So, yeah, click next. I accept the terms and conditions. Next. Yeah, this is very important to the path. Yeah, I don't want to join this. Check product updates on startup. Yes, next. Desktop, yes. Start program folder. Yes, everything next. And install. And ensure that dependencies are installed already. So otherwise it will ask for dependencies to install it. You can install it separately in that case. So I will pause the video now. Once it is finalized, I will resume it again. Meanwhile, let's also download Kali Linux. Kali Linux. When you put Kali Linux download, it will go to kali.org, go to kali.org. In this one, select virtual machines. This is very important. Yeah, a lot of persons are selecting installer images. This is not recommended for VMware Workstation Pro. So go for virtual machines. And then in that VMware recommended, so select this one. It will start downloading. So save as in again download. So this is like yeah 3.3 GB. So it will take some time. Let's wait for it. And meanwhile, yeah, this is finished. Okay, it is downloaded now. So here you see Kali Linux 2024.4 VMware AMD 64. So this one, let's extract it. I'm using this extractor called BandZip. So this is much better than 7-zip and other softwares. Yeah, I find it very useful. So this is extracting in the folder called Kali Linux 2024 VMware AMD 64. So we can rename this folder once everything is done. Close. And this one, let's rename it to Kali Linux. And let's go to this VMware Workstation. So in this one, what we are going to do is go to Home. In Home, open a virtual machine. Do not go to create a new virtual machine. Open a virtual machine, because this one we have it ready-made. So it is better in this situation. Kali Linux. Yeah, it will start add. Okay, you see, it is added. And power on this virtual machine, it will start booting. It will take some time to completely boot. I will fast forward this. Let's go to settings, and then now it is enabled. As you can see, it is enabled. You can go up to whatever the limit you want. And the processor, I'm going to increase the processor. This okay. And for here, so 8 cores, I will leave it as it is. And then hard disk 81 GB, 80 GB is okay. Network adapter, ensure that it is in NAT, not in any other options. USB controller, this is okay. Sound cards auto detect, okay. Display auto detect, this is also okay. Until otherwise you have a separate graphics card, you can go for this accelerated 3D graphics, but we are not going to run any 3D graphics in Kali Linux, so I will leave as it is. So now I'm going to say okay, and then power on this virtual machine. So username and password is same, Kali Kali. As you can see, it is Kali on a Kali machine. My Kali ID. So this is the user ID. So the first thing you should do is change the password, default password from Kali to your own password. So for that, PASSWD. So current password is Kali, and then new password. PASSWD, and then new password. So password updated successfully. So when you log in newly, you have to enter with a new password. And important thing is like once you install, the first thing you should do is sudo apt update, give the new password, and then it will start downloading all the apt packages which are required for Kali. So once it is done, we can use the next command as sudo apt upgrade. So whatever the package is downloaded now, so it will start installing in the machine. So 70.6 MB fetched. So whatever the package worth of 70.6 MB, we can install those things. So 708 packages can be upgraded. So this will be a very, if I enter sudo apt upgrade, it will upgrade all the list, all the packages that are pending to apt pending to update. So what are the packages it will update? We can see in list upgradable. So these are the packages it will update. As you can see, the whole package is like, yeah, 708 packages it will upgrade. So for that, sudo apt upgrade -y. So when you put -y, when it will ask for your consent whether to upgrade yes or no. So this -y will automatically yeah, take as your input. So yeah, this is it, guys. You have successfully installed Kali Linux on a virtual machine using VMware Workstation Pro, which is free for you. Um, when it asks for license, ensure that you select um, for your own personal use. Then only it will allow you for yeah, free. Otherwise, you have to pay for the software. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. In the next one, we will see what are the tools that I'm using or I find interesting when you play CTF events. CTF means capture the flag events. So yeah, we will see in the next video. Thanks everyone. Bye bye.